Introducing the Gedore MTS 130 mechanical torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with precision and accuracy. Manufactured by Gedore, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this mechanical torque tester is a valuable addition to any quality control or assembly process. With a torque range of 26 to 130 Newton centimeters, the MTS 130 caters to a wide variety of applications, making it suitable for both light and heavy-duty fastening tasks. The tester features a dual-drive compatibility with a 1/4 hex and square drive, providing versatility to accommodate different types of fasteners and tools. The clear and precise scale on the MTS 130 enables accurate torque readings, ensuring consistent and reliable measurements. Gedore's commitment to quality is evident in the durable construction of the MTS 130. Its robust design ensures longevity and dependable performance, even in demanding industrial environments. The compact and lightweight design of the MTS 130 makes it highly portable, allowing for easy transportation and use in various locations. Invest in the Gedore MTS 130 mechanical torque tester and experience the confidence that comes with precise and accurate torque measurements. Trust in Gedore's expertise and quality craftsmanship to empower your assembly processes with reliable and efficient tools.